Hello everyone, also hi to the ladies. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ntabi. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey sis. Today's tutorial is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. They sent me one bundle of their light yaki upgrade crochet human hair to install with you. It is 20 inches long. This is how it looks right out the bag. Beautiful texture. The hair also came with a bag, a hairspray bottle, and a box with essential tools, the crochet hook being the most important tool. I am working on freshly washed hair. I start off by parting and braiding my hair down. I will be doing a middle part, I started off with the outline braid. This is the braid I will be sewing the wig caps on. Try to braid it securely so that it doesn't unravel. The braiding forward portion was challenging. So long as the cornrows are secure, you will be fine. I'll be using a normal wig cap and a net cap. Both are available at most beauty supply stores. I thought to wear a brown cap for demonstration purposes, just to help you see more clear how I will be crocheting through the net and not directly onto my hair. All of this isn't as visible with the black cap underneath. To attach the cap, I used a big needle and yarn. You can use whatever works for you. All I did was sew the caps on. There really isn't any specific technique. Once done, I cut the excess material off and crocheted the hair in. All you do is slide the hook through the net hole. Lock in the string portion of the hair and pull it out. To tie it securely, you create a knot, and that's it. Slide the hook through the net hole. Lock in the string portion of the hair and pull it out. To tie it securely, you create a knot. The string portion has tiny knot-like particles that tend to snag onto the net as you pull the hair out. Try to slide the hair out flat or pin it down so that it doesn't snag onto the net. The process is repetitive and the technique is easy to grasp. This is all you do until you get to the top. The only thing I would do differently when inserting the hook is to cover 2 to 3 holes at one go. Don't have to insert the hook into one hole, especially if you will only be using one bundle. I hope this makes sense. This is a fantastic technique for anyone with thin hair or a sensitive scalp. There is no tension whatsoever. I used one bundle in total. It weighs 250 grams. The hair texture is light yaki silk process. This is human hair. Once done crocheting, I glued on one track at the very top to help conceal the knots. You can use clip-in extensions to do this if you have them. I felt the need to do this because my hair is short and not as thick, thus the coverage wouldn't be enough. This is not necessary if you have long, thick hair. Had I created a basic middle part without leaving the front of my hair out, this wouldn't be necessary, but it still turned out beautiful. Once done, I went on to lay the front portion. I blow dried and straightened it, and I also straightened the bundles. They take heat really well. I laid my edges. This is optional. This is a great style for any season, a perfect protective style. The hair is lightweight. As long as you secure it properly, the hair will not get loose or fall off as you brush it. It will remain intact for up to a month. This is a protective style. You can wash and reuse the crochet hair. To uninstall, you just cut the wig caps off and remove the hair from the net. It's easy. And that's about it. An easy, lightweight, protective style with hair that can be reused. All hair details are in the description box. The links will direct you to HOTBRAIDS website. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.